Clarendon teen charged for the fatal stabbing of another student. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Clarendon police have charged a 15-year-old boy for the fatal stabbing of another teen during a dispute last month. He has been charged following a ruling from the Director of Public Prosecution. A date is yet to be set for his court appearance. The incident happened in the community of Hot Water Lane in Rocky Point on Friday, March the 8th. The police report that the accused and the deceased 15-year-old student Shaquille Wind, otherwise called Keely, had a dispute and a knife was brought into play. Shaquille was stabbed in the chest. He was taken to the Mapen Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.